Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. Throughout the month of August, I held a contest to give away a backdrop courtesy of Kate Backdrop. Well, in this video, I'm going to pick a winner. Now on my computer, I have all the names of everyone who entered the contest entered into this application that will pick a random name from the list. And without really any further ado, I'm simply going to click on Make Random Decision, and the winner is Sergio Vasco. Sergio, you will get an email from me, and I will ask you for your address, and I will mail you the backdrop. I'd like to thank Kate Backdrop for sponsoring this giveaway. If you're interested in buying a backdrop from Kate Backdrop, remember to use my special discount code that will save you 10%. That will be listed in the description below this video. Thank you everyone who entered. I'll talk to you guys soon.